quickly when the battery on the vest comes in contact with water. Smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is not permitted on board, and this also applies to our lavatories which are equipped with smoke detectors. Please study our safety card, which you will find in the seat pocket. Om lite stund kommer vi påbörja vår servering ombord där man har möjlighet att köpa något lättare att äta och dricka. Vi har kalla varma drycker och en hel del. Evacuation, you must leave all hand luggage behind. Please review the important information contained on the safety card, which you will find in the seat pocket in front of you, and identify your nearest exit. The lavatories are now
ta sig. Var försiktig när ni öppnar bagagelådan ovanför er och kom ihåg att ta med alla era personliga tillhörigheter när ni lämnar flygplanet. Och vi påminner om att rökning och användning av elektroniska cigaretter fortfarande inte är tillåtet. Vi tackar så mycket för att ni har valt att flyga med Norwegian. Vi hoppas att ni har haft en fin resa med oss och att vi får hälsa er varmt ombord snart igen. Tack och ha en fortsatt trevlig dag här i Stockholm eller på er slutliga destination. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Stockholm and Arlanda Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisle clear from all hand luggage until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins and remember to take all your personal belongings with you when leaving the aircraft. Smoking and use of electronic cigarettes is still not permitted. As a member of Norwegian Reward, you get cash points every time you fly. Sign up today and start earning your way to discounts and free flights. For more information, you will find us at norwegianreward.com. On behalf of the entire crew, we thank you for flying Norwegian and we hope to see you on board again soon. Thank you and enjoy your stay here in Stockholm or to your final destination.